Love pancakes, burgers, and barbecue, but hate the mess? These top 5 electric griddles give you restaurant-style results right on your kitchen counter. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best electric griddles in 2025, perfect for indoor grilling, family breakfasts, and healthy home cooking. These griddles are non-stick, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Whether you're a foodie or just feeding the family, there's one here for you. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Ninja GR101 Electric Griddle. Ninja's 14-inch griddle/grill combo heats to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and provides even cooking for steak, burgers, fish, and veggies. Non-stick and dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. Pros: dual grill plus griddle functionality. Super even heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick and dishwasher-safe. Compact yet powerful. Why it's great: perfect for daily meals or weekend grilling, with the quality Ninja is known for. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Searing Grill. This electric grill brings restaurant-style searing to your home with adjustable temp control to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a PFAS-free non-stick grate. Pros: viewing window lets you monitor cooking. Heats fast and sears like a champ. PFAS-free equals safer, healthier cooking. Grill grate is removable and easy to clean. Why it's great: a top pick for steak, grilled veggies, or burgers indoors, without the smoke or hassle. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Raclette Table Grill. With 200 square inches of non-toxic non-stick surface, this tabletop grill includes 8 individual warming trays, great for family dinners, parties, or fondue nights. Pros: serves up to 8 people at once. Great for raclette, tapas, eggs, pancakes, or sliders. PFAS-free for safe cooking. Comes with 8 warming pans plus spatulas. Why it's great: ideal for entertaining or fun weekend meals. Everyone gets their own spot to cook and customize. Number 4. Presto 0706 122-inch Electric Griddle. This popular griddle offers a 22-inch cooking surface, removable handles, and non-stick coating for cooking a full breakfast for the whole family. Pros: big enough to cook for 4 to 6 people. Simple controls and fast heat up. Stores easily with detachable handles. Durable and consistent. Why it's great: it's a no-nonsense, family favorite griddle that just works. Great for pancakes, bacon, and more. Number 5. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. This eco-friendly griddle has a ceramic titanium non-stick coating, is PTFE and PFOA-free, and fits up to 15 eggs at once on a massive 12-inch by 22-inch surface. Pros: healthy ceramic coating equals no harmful chemicals. Huge capacity for batch cooking. Fully submersible with cord detached. Quick and even heating. Why it's great: perfect for big families or batch meal prep, especially if you're prioritizing non-toxic cooking surfaces. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Whether you're cooking for 1 or hosting brunch for 8, these top 5 electric griddles are built for versatility, power, and easy cleanup. From searing steak to flipping pancakes, there's something here for everyone. If this helped, give it a like, drop your favorite griddle recipe in the comments, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews and cooking tech.